was it? It's the map and the
Hi guys!
the other one. So.
Happy Friday! Is it today Friday?
No, it's not Friday, it's Saturday. Of course it's Friday, come on, oh my god, are you kidding me? Like seriously?
How are you doing? The last time when we saw you was it on, when was it? On Sunday, I think.
Sunday when we were going for holiday and now we are going back home.
Yeah, as you can hear, we have our 3 boys on the back. We just wanted to thank all of you from the bottom of our heart for the birthday wishes. We were actually overwhelmed by all the wishes, you know, from all around the world and in different languages. It was really beautiful. So our boys are 4 now.
Yeah.
Yes, and Jakub is 5.
They went on holiday.
I think
they were 3 plus, and now coming back from holiday, they are 4 already. So
yes,
that's a good one. So I'm driving. Natalia is sitting down here. She will be the one answering your questions.
So I was thinking we can do a spontaneous Q&A. If you have any questions, we have about an hour of driving home.
No, we have more than 1 hour, but the Instagram live limit is 1 hour.
General,
so
yes,
you know.
we have an hour of time for you. That's what I meant. That we are happy to answer all of your questions. As some of you saw, we have a new cartoon. It's a project of our Oluko, Lekan King Kong, Akbanaki, and Yoruba Pikin. It was a surprise from my husband for me, so I really love it. It was like an amazing surprise. Actually, I had no idea about it.
And for the boys also, I mean, they were just recording their voices. They didn't actually know what it is all about. I explained to them, but you know, they didn't know. So when the cartoon was out, they were very, very happy about it. And they have watched it, even themselves, they have watched it many times.
Yes.
So
if you have any story ideas that you would like your kids to listen to, then you are always welcome to send us a DM.
And if they have watched the cartoon also, if there's any feedback they want to send, they can send it to us so that we...
Ruby's Africa, hi. Just let me greet everyone. Yeah, the event Nani, hi. Bookie 4519, hello. Kareem, hello Yak, yes.
Yak is sitting down on the other side. He's sitting down right behind me. Adam is the one sitting down in the middle, and Camille is sitting down behind his mom.
Hi. Francewa, hello.
Oh, Francewa, yeah. We have been on a program before.
The real official, hi. Big Ray.
You have to greet everyone.
Hello, yes. Abu Judith 36. Yes, happy birthday to you. Ruby, where did you go for a vacation? Ruby's Africa is asking. So we went to Quartane, it's an Olympic village. It's within Finland. We didn't want to risk going abroad. So it's about, how many hours? 4 hours driving?
Yeah, almost there.
Yes, from
and kids were complaining all through. It's too far. That is too far.
Actually, it depends. I mean,
well, they were complaining. Jakub was saying that all the time.
For some time, but in the end,
they enjoyed themselves.
They enjoyed themselves. Even my husband, I'm so proud of my husband. I have to say.
My head is swelling though.
Yes.
Like seriously, you know, it's not always easy to get commendation from women generally. So when they give you one, you need to hold on to it. Thank you very much.
Yes.
I appreciate that. Baba, my home Jack Barrow.
You hear Camille singing? Much love, yes.
Samuel Oluwafemi 5. Thank you very much, bro.
For you as well. Samuel Olufemi, When are you coming to
Nigeria?
Yeah, we were actually talking about it. We would love to go, and the grandma is missing the boys as well, and the
They are
grandpa.
missing grandma also.
Yes.
They go all the time.
I think, as I was saying in the previous live, I think the show, Camille's show has ended now. He has his personal. Everywhere he goes, he has his own show.
Yeah.
But anyway.
They made a lot of friends, actually. Lots of friends. Because actually the program was organized by the Twins Association of Finland. So, right? Yeah, so it was organized, and then my wife bought the whole package for us as a family. It was a surprise birthday gift for boys also. It's okay for boys. So we actually have this kind of association for twins, and it marked their 4th year's birthday also. So it was really awesome. We enjoy ourselves.
But the question was, when are we coming to Nigeria? My answer is that I hope in December.
Yeah, hopefully in December.
Yes.
Jakub has been saving money. We have a piggy bank.
Yes, they do,
so
yes.
we've been keeping money inside the piggy bank since the beginning of the year. And we hope that by November, for example, when we are going to open it, we'll have enough money for... Why do you look at me like that?
I'm looking at you if you are looking on the road.
I'm looking at the road now.
Yes.
Come on. So by the end of the year, when we are going to open the piggy bank, hopefully we'll have enough money to buy tickets for all of us. So, you know, this is our own way of saving for traveling. So Jakub has been saving.
Oh, Baba Ishila, hi. Oh, Porch, hello.
Oh, those are the Aglainaki Republicans.
Yes. Oh, Konshola Diwan, hello. Amo Pelu Muslimot, hi. Amo Porch, yes. Kini Wonja. What we were eating?
Wow,
Oh,
you actually got that.
They're
See?
eating sandwiches.
Your Yoruba is really, it has improved perfectly. Like you just read it and then you were able to understand it.
Yeah.
Perfecto.
So, Ebony Nubia Luxury. Hi, my family is from Okeogun.
Okeogun is the area where Shaki is located.
Okay.
So, yeah, Okeogun. Which part of Okeogun? Is it Ishain? Is it Shaki? Is it
Nubia
Okeho?
Luxury, yes. Finito Breezy 101.
Yeah,
Hi,
Finito is from
hello.
Shaki.
How are you? Onu Olowa. Aku Sanya. Hello to the children. Thank you so much.
Mama!
Tak, słucham? Już prawie zadłeś? Dobrze. Tak. Okay, so we had a deal with them that once they eat the sandwiches, then they will eat the ice cream. So now he's telling me that he wants to eat the ice cream. Welcome, Sola D1, Yoruba Pikin.
Adam, o ti ń pariwo jù.
Omo Porch. Hello, boys. Hello.
Mi gbọ́.
Titi
Tàbí jẹun tán?
Ayo 498. Hi.
O jẹ mọ́.
Precious. Hello.
Okay, yeah.
What does it mean? Ekuisha.
Ekuisha is well done.
Ah.
Mú bread yẹn wá. Kò ní bread kankan mọ́. Ṣé mi ló ń parọ́ fún àlèyá ò ní kúrò? Ó sì sọ fún mi pé o ti jẹ tán.
Thank you, Kushania.
Oniro ni ọmọ yìí.
Yes.
Oniro ńlá.
Thank you. I'm greeting you too. Mama,
You want ice cream?
Mama wants.
Kini, I want ice cream ní Yorùbá. Kini, I want ice cream ní Yorùbá. Mo fẹ́ kíni? Mo fẹ́ kíni? Oníyẹ̀yẹ́ ni ẹ. Mo sọ pé tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ sọ Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, tẹ́ bá ti lè tú fún mi ní Yorùbá ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ sọ Gẹ̀ẹ́sì tẹ́ bá ti ní sọ
I hope
Yorùbá.
that the twins enjoy their birthday. I think they really enjoy it. They got
Mo fẹ́ ice cream.
many gifts that they didn't even have time to actually open all of them.
Ní sọ̀rọ̀.
We had the schedule fully packed. House classic words. May the Lord be with you. Amen.
Mama àwọn Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Mama àwọn Gẹ̀ẹ́sì is
The boys are singing on my home.
is our Yahoo.
Yes, it's I even know the lyrics of the song.
Where are you coming from?
Are you guys coming? We are coming from holidays for those who has not seen.
Yeah, we are coming from Kortane. It's around 340 kilometers away from Turku where we live. and we've been there since Saturday. So
Saturday.
yeah, Saturday. Sunday actually. Sunday, yeah, Sunday. So we just think that we should spend some time alone together as family. We've been on lockdown for the past 3 months, so I think it's a good way also to ease stress, to relieve ourselves of all the stress of lockdown also. So it was a good one.
Yeah. Well, I can't wait to go to the office actually, and then let them go to the daycare.
Yeah.
Even though that was a good thing that we had 2 hours of the club for the kids, so someone else was taking care of them, and so they could have fun with their parents, other kids, and let the parents do whatever they wanted to do.
Someone is asking about Camille. Camille, Mama, I want guys in Berry. They want you to do that. I want to do that. I want to go for do that. Oh yeah. Go you see big on here. Okay. Wọ́n ti rí ẹ, o ṣeun. Ọmọ dáadáa. Ẹ padà síbi tẹ́ jókòó sí ẹ ṣé o. Jẹ́ ń gbọ́ràn jọ.
Real Semi, Anife, Awon, Omoyi, Guns.
What does that mean? Okay, good. Then I think we start our Yoruba class now. Tell me again and let me tell you what it means.
Hopefully in December as well. Then we'll be saying Jacob is saving for his flight to Nigeria.
Yes, he is.
Mommy.
Yes.
I had sandwich ice cream.
Ice cream at home. We're gonna eat ice cream at home.
Hey, uncle, Kunisuru. Tabati dele, tabati nlo, kato dele nsi ama kọ́kọ́ lọ sílé ìtajà máa lọ ra ice cream fún yín. Àwa gbé lọ sílé. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ni kí lorúkọ ẹ máa ṣe movie night lálẹ́ àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. So ẹ máa fa ice cream ṣe movie night. Ìyẹn tẹ́ bá àti pọ́ńtì tí wọ́n tẹ́ bá sọ mọ́ dáadáa ni o. Tẹ́ bá pariwo jù náà kọ̀ kò sí ice cream mọ́ nìyẹn o. Ẹ ti gbọ́? Good.
Okay, guys. So let's start Yoruba class. I'm okay with that.
So, baba ho mai ho jẹ ngbọ́rọ̀ o. Sinsala wa di sinsala rẹ̀ yìí. Yakub, ṣé Kami ò kọ orin yẹn dáadáa bí ò kọ dáadáa? Báwo kí ló ń sọ? Mi gbọ́, ìsọkúsọ ò ṣeun jàre. He said ìsọkúsọ. Don't let me say the English. I will never forget láíláí. Èwo ni Yorùbá tó ń kíbọ̀ nú òyìnbó nìsín? O fẹ́ sùn? Okay, Yakub
wants to sleep?
Kami pàdé fúnra rẹ̀. Ó ti kọ́ dáadáa nísìn oṣù.
Jacob, did she spot?
Olo, he said he doesn't want anybody to wake him up, so he wants to sleep. Me, if I can't
Adam wants to sleep.
I don't want anyone to wake me up.
Okay.
Adam, one of us.
Very much. Hello, Mama. Hope you guys are enjoying your vacation. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. How are
Thank
you?
you very much. Kilo day. Kilo jala. Kami kilo jala.
He said he apologized to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oti baby. Kilo suffer.
We are actually all tired. The kids have been they've been sleeping as well. They recently woke up, so they might be disturbing a little bit. Oh yeah, what about my Yoruba?
Okay. Someone said mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn ọmọ yìí gan. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. What is mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ in Yoruba?
Money Ferrays, I love you, so
Nisoro. Okay? Tó bá di sọmọ dáadáa, mo sọ nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú tí ó bá sọmọ dáadáa. Yakubu ló ń sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ẹ̀kún ò ní jíun, ẹ ti jí. Wo Adam jà gbọ́ràn. So, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. What is mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ in Yoruba? If you say mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, see, Kamil is telling you.
What does it mean?
Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, mo fẹ́ràn. It's mo fẹ́ràn rẹ̀ gan. I love you so much.
So those are to propose.
I'm pariwo sí.
I like you.
I'm pariwo sí.
Oh, yeah.
Yakub, àwọn àbúrò rẹ̀ ni kó bá sọ̀rọ̀ kan má pariwo. Eléyìí táwọn ṣe yìí, mọ́mì ló ń ṣe ètò. Ó ti yẹ ń sìn yìí. Sọ fún Kamil àti Adam kó má pariwo sí ẹ létí. Ó ti gbọ́? Wọ́n sùn lọ́wọ́. Sẹ́ni tó ń sùn mọ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ń yẹ̀yẹ́. Inú ìyá rẹ̀ tẹ́yẹ̀ máa ń sùn mọ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ àbí. Òun ń sùn lọ́wọ́. Ó yá sùn sódì gbọ́, okay? Camille was brought down.
Mama is saying stop bullying them, Jara. What did they talk? Thank you, Mama, because I don't understand what they talk.
Nobody is bullying anyone. No. You see, Yakub said that he wants to sleep and he doesn't want anyone to wake him up, but they said they are just making noise. So, and Adam was saying that I am sleeping. So, I'm just wondering, in Poland, for example, if someone is sleeping, are they able to talk? So that's why I was asking him. Maybe they do that in Poland. I wouldn't know.
Jimmy!
Come on, Jimmy. What do you want, Jimmy? Come in, Jimmy.
Come on. What did you get all bullies?
On est mort par ni sur. Je dis quoi? Camille, moi connais. Je dis quoi? Moi on a l'orin quoi?
Dziękuję. Tak.
Do samochodzie?
Teraz chcesz pić? Nie, w domu będzie.
Okay. So let's try more Yoruba. So mo fẹ́ràn. What is mo fẹ́ràn in English?
No, this is not the way I'm gonna learn.
Okay. I love. I like. Fẹ́ràn is like. Okay. If you say mo fẹ́ràn, it means I like. Mo fẹ́ràn àwọn ọmọ yìí gan. I like these boys very much. Oh, I like them a lot. But if you say mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ àwọn ọmọ yìí gan, it means I love these kids.
Princess is asking how is Yakub's leg. Yes, he's better now, but we have to visit the doctor again, but it's okay, it's getting healed. Thank you for asking. Yes, Monifer I love. Thank you, because I know Monifer. I love you.
What is Omo in Yoruba? In English? Omo.
I am.
Omo.
If I say Omo Yoruba, it means I am Yoruba.
Omo Yoruba is a Yoruba child.
Okay.
Omo is a child.
Ah.
A baby, a child.
Okay.
Àwọn ọmọ, children.
Okay.
So, what is child in boys? I know boys in Polish is you say that all the time, for God's sake.
Ask the boys.
No, not pojat. That's finish. It's pojat.
Nie, ale to są, no ale jak? Jak ja do was zawsze mówię?
How do you say that?
Kaczuszki.
No. Kaczuszki. No, you say that all the time. Boys in Polish. Kopaki, yes. Boys in Polish is kopaki.
Yeah. I asked them, how do I normally call you? And Jakub said ducks.
So kopaki in Yoruba is ọmọkùnrin or àwọn ọmọkùnrin in Yoruba. Àwọn ọmọkùnrin. Yeah, the plural. Yeah, you have to put àwọn. Yep. Come into the jail. Small one goes. So they won't bother sorrow.
Auntie Jimmy is disturbing me.
He wake me up.
Wake me up.
Also, tell.
Tell
No, before. Tell is before.
Okay.
Before. So you are learning a lot from them. So they are most of the time they are always using all this solid Yoruba, like tele. Like they use tele. Most of the time they use opolopo. They use onikaluku. Onikaluku is like all of you. So onikaluku, or everyone, or each and every one of you. I think
okay,
that's
so what
better.
I know is that Oti Jeun have eaten.
Yeah. Shoti Jeun, yeah.
Yes, Shoti Jeun is the question. Yes, Oti Jeun I have eaten.
Oti Jeun you have eaten.
Yes. Oti Yagbe, I want to go to the toilet.
Okay. Oti Yagbe means you have po.
Ah, okay. So this one, yes. Then Jaun is eat.
Eat.
Then my favorite is farabale.
Farabale. What is farabale?
Leave me alone.
Farabale means calm down.
Ah, calm down.
Take it easy.
Ah, Fimisile.
Fimisile. Leave me alone. Yeah,
yes,
you get that.
Yes. Okay. I love this song. There was a song Fimisile. I'm a very old school Nigerian song, maybe popular 5-6 years ago. I don't like the recent music, Nigerian music that much.
You like Terry G. Terry G is your man.
No, not anymore. Maybe not. I like Whiskey. No, the biggest. Kogo mama słucha? Iskaba?
Iskelebe.
Yes.
Yeah, Wande Call.
We love Wande Call as a family. And one day I will bring Wande Call to my Talks with Natalia show. And Spider-Man as well. Iron Spider-Man. As the boys want to as well. Yeah.
So, guys, kini Spider-Man ni Yoruba?
Alantaku.
Ọkùnrin aláǹtakùn ṣe ọkùnrin aláǹtakùn. Kini Batman ni Yoruba? Yakub.
Oh, that's difficult.
Yakub is sleeping. Okay. Ọkùnrin àdán. Yakub is sleeping. He would have helped you with it. Iron Man. Ọkùnrin irin. Yeah, ọkùnrin irin. Èwo tún ni?
A bad guy, yes.
Superman. Ọkùnrin alágbára ni.
Alágbára, it means
an adult.
An adult, yes.
Bad guy. Ọkùnrin burúkú. Èèyàn burúkú ni. Ọkùnrin burúkú. Èèyàn burúkú ni bad guy. Captain America. Ọ̀gágun America náà là á pè yẹn. Yes, Ọ̀gágun America. Hawk? Hawk in Yoruba. Ẹ mọ̀ yọ mi lẹ́yìn.
I have no idea.
Me too, I have no idea. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n ronú sí nǹkan tá a lè pè ní Hawk. Irú àwọ̀ wo ni àwọ̀ tí Hawk máa ń ní?
The Pamela Rain is asking, super happy for your family. How are you raising your kids? Yeah, we are raising our kids, as you can see. It's sometimes complicated, but we try to make it fun. But it's not easy.
What Batman? What is the real Pamela Rain saying?
Super happy for your family, and how are you raising your kids?
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Wait, I can see there is a song for Laura Mi Fat. I want Omo Ipa Mi Erin.
Yeah, Omo Ipa Mi Erin.
Yes.
These boys are making me laugh.
Oh yeah, It depends on the day, but they make me laugh. They make me
Erin is laughter.
They bring all the Super Mama.
Super Mama.
Yes.
Ni Yoruba.
They call me Super Mama.
Super Mommy ni
I'm a superhero because everyone had to be a superhero, so I got the Super
Super. Guys, what is super in Yoruba?
Well, funny. 742. They were born in UK. No, they were born in Finland.
Yeah, in Finland. This is the reason why we've been trying to. Okay. This is the reason why we've been trying to limit the amount of English that they speak. Because English language is a very dominant language, like I wrote in my last
okay, thank
Flash.
you. Mommy, my child.
Flash ni. Ọkùnrin tó ń sáré gan kọ́ o. Flash ni a lè pè ní mọ̀nàmọ́ná. Something like that. So a lè pè that man tó jẹ́ Flash ni ọkùnrin mọ̀nàmọ́ná.
Darren B, please save the life of have finished. Yes, we will save it.
Dolphin? What do you mean dolphin? Dolphin jẹ́ irúfẹ́ ẹja tó máa ń wà nínú omi. Ẹja ńlá. O ṣeun ẹja ńlá o ṣeun. Super Mario.
I don't have choice, but I'm actually loving it. I should learn more.
Ní Super Mario ní Yorùbá. Àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan bẹ́tà ní Yorùbá mi ò lè sọ.
Tell us, guys, how are you doing? How is Nigeria? I know many of you are still in Nigeria. What is the situation with the virus? We have seen that few politicians got sick. Yeah? In the news. I just saw on Instagram people saying that the virus is real, and people like in Finland, people, apart of using the disinfectant, we don't wear masks. We only keep social. We went to the amusement park actually, and they were using some, like some of the seats were not available. So there was a space in between the kids when they were playing. But on the other hand, they were queuing. They were standing in one queue with no social distancing. 1.5 meter.
But seriously, they really managed the pandemic well in Finland.
Yes,
and
true.
Recently, I was reading in the news that the University of Helsinki, in collaboration with one laboratory in Helsinki, they invented this equipment to test for the virus, and it will cost like around €2 for the test.
Okay.
So by the time when they launch it, and €2 is like around it's not even up to 1,000 naira. So now you can imagine when the Nigerian government is telling people to come and do tests for around 40,000 naira, or how much, I can't really remember how much they were asking
Poland,
them. Like seriously.
I think minimum is €25 if I'm not mistaken.
€25. You see, these your Polish people. In Poland, you are like Nigerians.
There is a reason why I love Nigeria so much.
It's in the blood.
Yes, it is.
Tabade lady, mama come back. Me for anything. Mass of me for anything. Me for anything. Me for anything.
Jakub is a cost that they had really a lot of fun. The running play, oh my god, they were just running up and down.
Really enjoyed themselves.
We were at the swimming pool every day, and also sauna every day. My husband been practicing his swimming as well.
Not
so
only the swimming, you carried me to the middle of the lake. And I was telling you, for God's sake, traveling all the way from... we were not able to record that video. Oh my God, it was really, really interesting. I was shaking in the middle of the lake.
I could see a fear in his eyes. But then I could see a love in his eyes as well, because he was doing it for me. So
I told you now, all the way from Shaki to Europe, I didn't die. Now you carry me to the middle of the lake. Neriwa allow. Wow. But in the end, it was a very good experience. It was a very good experience for me and for the kids also, for the whole family.
And I think that the holidays.
It's unable to join, but maybe he or she left already. Can you show people how bright it is now? It's 7:20 in the evening, and it looks like you can check it out. See.
Yeah. This is so cold that. Boys want to dance. Oh, Lady Comfort has joined. Hello, Mama.
Just look at it. Check it out.
Yes, see.
See
this is 9 p.m.
7:20 in the evening.
Yes.
And look at the sun.
Yes.
And yesterday, around 10, it was still like this. 10 in the evening.
Let me. Yes, Mama. Boys are sleeping. Sleeping. Jakub is sleeping. Let me do this. Yeah.
Who are you calling?
No, Mama. Lady Comfort sent a request to join. Sorry, I missed that.
Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. What is it? Oh, yeah.
Oh, the same time with Cyprus.
Okay. Same time. Who said that? Olaron me. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I think so.
Yes, she said.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni kò sáyè Johnson yìí. Ṣé ní Poland orí àga làwọn èèyàn ti máa ń jó? Orí àga wọn ti máa ń jó. Irọ́ ló ń pa. Ó parọ́. Irọ́ ló ń pa, irọ́ ńlá. Èmi ń parọ́. Àníyá rẹ̀ ń parọ́.
Hi, hello.
How are you? I'm Corona. We cannot hear you. I think it's the network. Hello, can you hear us? Can you hear him?
Well, it's breaking.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's waving. So it's good.
How are you? Bawani?
I'm fine.
Oh,
I'm
now
fine.
it's fine. How is it going?
Do you have any question for us?
I don't really have any questions, but
I can
can't hear you. On a major network. Okay.
But anyway, thank you very much. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
calling. Thank you. Yeah, the network is bad.
Yeah, I think the network is bad, but we have other. Yes. Oh, we have our seat. Yes, tak? Zaraz mama da. See the face.
Baba Father.
Yoruba Pikin, my
Baba
family.
Father.
Where are you going? Oh, Joanna, come and say hello to Yoruba Pikin. Oh, yeah. Come and meet
Joanna.
your. Joanna is coming.
Hello, Joanna.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine. That's good.
Ibo in-law.
I'm Paramount Turukunio.
I will travel to London.
Kileso?
Mo rò bẹ́ẹ̀ travel to London by road ni.
London, my jack. He's asking if we went to London.
Oh my God.
He's asking if we were in London.
No.
London.
I don't want to go to London at the moment.
So they didn't manage the pandemic very well, so it's a no-go area
Really?
right now.
So,
They didn't.
so London is more serious now. This virus is
Yeah,
serious
it's a no-go area for us right now. They manage it badly. So.
You're enjoying yourself. Are you on holiday now?
Are you guys on holiday?
You know me.
Yana
I
is
don't take
relaxing.
I'm still working. But my wife is going on holiday and Joanna is also on holiday now. They are actually traveling tomorrow. They are
traveling tomorrow, so it's going to be you alone at home.
Yeah, so I'm going to be single dad for 1 week.
Enjoyment.
But
I need that kind of holiday too.
Yeah, I will be coming to your house and checking every day if the situation is okay.
Why do you want to go to the house to check the situation?
Yeah, she needs to come. Actually, she needs to bring food along. Because there's not going to be food at home.
Yeah. Huh?
If you carry a fork,
yeah,
she will make a fork for you and everything.
Let's do some party. Yeah, we should do something outside actually. So
is Yana going to be with you?
No, Joanna is going with her mom. Oh, you know her mom will not leave her alone with me now.
Aye. This one will be happy to travel alone, no, to leave all the boys with me. Really, Mama. We'll bring you something, don't worry. Thank you
she
very much.
Cannot leave her because of my work time. My work time, I wake up so early in the morning and I come back in the afternoon. So the waking up is not going to suit her if she's at home with me. So that is why. If I have holiday now, it's possible, but I don't have holiday now.
Shaman play Viva.
No, say no. No.
I won't lie to you. I bought the FIFA. I bought it 3 years ago, and I played it only 5 times in 3 years. So I left it in Nigeria.
Wow. Man. Go to Allah.
Not like this one will carry Xbox to holiday.
For holiday, I carry Xbox. I carry my Xbox with me.
Are you serious? You
Ah.
are supposed to be holiday with family now.
Holiday, I was with the whole family from morning till evening now. I'm not going to go last go now.
So
I
you
come
are
and be
playing
there for me,
Xbox
man.
and the family is there.
When they were sleeping.
Come and, when you are free, come and pick me from home to come and play.
No, Allah. Go to Allah. I'm
Me,
a
I don't
continue.
have.
Arike Ogun, thank you very much for joining. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Baba,
Big boys, how are you
no
doing?
Allah. I want to hear.
Big boys, the
I want.
famous boys. Báwo ni ẹ̀yin ọmọ?
Àwọn oníjọ̀gbọ̀n.
Bàbá ẹ̀ náà fi jọ. Àwọn ilé ìwé
Lóòótọ́.
jọgbọ́n. They are not doing any ìjọgbọ́n now. They are doing
Oh,
good.
that must be well. You should ask
Yakubu
Natalia if they are
Alpha.
troublesome or not, though. You will be the best person to tell you if they are troublesome or not. I don't have any problem with their troubles.
Yeah, of course, look, you will never have any problem with them. It's okay.
They are only troublesome to the father, not to the mother.
Yeah.
Báwo ni Yakubu Chalafia lẹ́wà?
Let's say so. Yeah. Yes, we are fine. We are fine.
You understand that one too? No wahala.
Of course,
Clap for yourself.
Thank you for joining us, Sunday.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ṣe
My regards to the whole
Chalafia
family.
lẹ́wà. Bọ́nà ó yà sí báyọ̀.
Bye, Yana. Hey, Pa.
Hey, Pa. Moi, moi.
Don't pause.
Yes, it was a call from our friend Sunday and his daughter Yana. So we're so happy to see familiar faces. Yes, drive safety.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Really, Auntie Mama, what did you bring for me, sir?
Everything, though. You need to ask your boys, so.
Yes.
You need to ask your boys.
Yeah, Google is sleeping. Trying to sleep. Superman. Yeah. Where's Yakub? Yakub is sleeping.
He's been
trying.
Yakub has been
Mama,
telling us that they are disturbing. They are.
Sorry. Are connecting? I don't know. Is it connecting to Mama? No? Okay, I can't see it. Mama to była. She's again, I don't know if something is not, is unable to join.
No problem.
Mama, no problem.
Mama, Bemaj. Thank you very much.
She says I think that's okay for now.
Thank you. Love you too. Hey, Lope, I don't need to you. Yes, sir, Murada.
I can't. Oh, that's
Yeah, I think that one. Yeah. Oh, you remember we? Yeah. Thank you very much. We had our first, the boys had their first Yoruba interview.
yes.
Live Yoruba interview with her, and it was very awesome. Thank you very much. You don't want cartoon? I want cartoon Yoruba.
Hello, boys. Hello. I am
Okay, cartoon. Okay, cartoon. You never did so guess here to Yoruba.
I think hello.
What about the daily cartoon? Moving like what I like to talk. Almost Shaki boy. Or Shaki English. Where's your? You want to dance? Not now. Oh, move face like what? Dance. Enjoy dance. Move face, really?
Yes.
Well.
My wish is finished for now at that.
Yeah. Just let I say to what's the network there? Can you tell us if it's getting better? Otherwise I just need to end the live and start over again.
Okay. Oh, I have to work on my pronunciation, Yoruba pronunciation.
Yeah, but to be honest, like I said, she's far, far more better than me when it comes to my own Polish. I don't even speak any Polish. The little one that I speak, I learn from boys. But when it comes to Yoruba, she's far, far more better than me. She's actually doing well. So now when boys are speaking Yoruba to me at home, they really want to speak pure Yoruba. If it has to do with mommy, they don't want to put mommy there because they know mommy will kind of like, know what exactly we are talking about. So they would rather say Yami, just because they don't want her to really understand that we are talking about
Can you
her.
please let us know if the network is okay? Because I have an impression that it's not. Oh, Mama Kemi, yes.
Hey, Mama Satan in the building.
Our family, yes.
Farm. Shewa. Our boys want go.
If you're not saying that the network is bad, I assume that it's okay. So we can continue.
Adam Jangor. Jacob Jabolonson. Jabolonson. Bella won't just. Bella. Yes, baby. Even though I'm going to long part, we don't verse, we won't go verse, we're going to parrot.
Oh, I haven't. We are fine.
We are fine.
I think that the network is bad.
Mama Satan, is the network fine? Yeah, probably maybe the network is bad, I'm not sure. Yeah, the network is okay.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, for those who watch my talk show, I have a guest on Sunday. We have changed, due to your request, we have changed the airtime to Sunday. I think I realized that Friday is quite busy for all of us, actually for me as well. So, the network is better now, yeah.
Yes. And I go find Coca-Cola. She be to Womule, because she go at Adam Lejomu. Whoa, near my one. My friend, in really to one in the land. So the book daily, Madame alone, making one come back. Adam, the fine, okay. Kilo goes off Adam. Adam Claire goes off. Go talk back.
Oh, this is my family life, seriously.
Waiting now, what is wrong with your family
If they
life?
want to say something, they will
Say whatever you want to say now. I'm just trying to settle them at the back. Because if I don't talk now, before you know it, they start, their wahala. So you were talking, you were actually talking about your show.
Yes,
Thanks, Rika Oguns.
Yes. So, yes, Spider-Man. So this week my guest will be Toyin Lawani. I guess some of them know her. She's a fashion mogul, serial entrepreneur, and to some scandalous, to some not. I actually got to know her. From our conversations, I had a very good impression about her. So if you have any questions for her, we will be talking about the gender equality and women empowerment. That's a very deep topic. Before I talked to Daddy Freeze, was it 2 weeks ago, I spoke to Daddy Freeze about religion and how does it affect the Nigerian society. So this was the deep topic, but last week with some of our comedians, we talked about the content creation, and now we will be talking to her with the Tia here about women empowerment and the gender equality. I think it's a very important topic, and she's a very interesting woman to talk to, and I'm looking forward to learn a lot from them. If you want to learn from her as well, any questions, normally I have some questions prepared and there's always a room for you to. Yes.
In Yoruba, they call it Ikuluwo Oja. So you are advertising without paying us. This is our page. You are advertising your own show on our page. Are you going to pay? Are
you are supposed to thank me for this. I want to say to publicly that I have not received a bridal price yet.
Bridal price?
Yes. So who is to say?
After I gave you 3 boys, you are still asking for bridal price.
Who is telling me about the paid advertisement?
Yakubu Pariwo. Which bridal price? After I gave you 3 boys.
Indeed, you gave me.
I gave you 3 boys. You are still asking for bridal price. You are advertising without paying us.
Yes.
No problem. Don't worry, we love your show.
I think I just know that many of you do watch the show, so I appreciate your effort. And it seems that we both have the same fans, the same family members that come and support us. So we really appreciate that. So we will give you. Yes, please.
Don't promise her any bridal price. So don't promise her any bridal price.
Too much for me. No.
Do you think it's easy to give woman 3 boys?
I don't want naira. With all the respect.
Not be me give her the 3 boys. You think it's easy, and you are still asking for bridal price?
Yes.
After 3 boys. Caller 1461. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm getting you from this side. Thank you, Bukola. If we can't, Yakub and Kamil will buy you a jumbo jet. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that. If I don't buy it by that, when they grow up, if I don't buy it by that time myself, then yeah.
They will buy it for you.
It's still the same family account. She's 100% free to place an advert on your page. Thank you. Thank you, mommy.
Well done.
Yes.
Hey. Yakub. Ṣé ẹ fún wọn ní láǹfààní kó máa polówó ọjà ní orí péjì? Ẹ fún wọn. Sí Yakub ṣe rárá o. You said no. No more advertisements.
Yeah, jumbo jet that will move you from there to anywhere in the world.
Amen.
Yes, thank you. Then we would be able to go to Nigeria anytime we want. Inshallah, they will buy it. Yes, thank you. If I survive next 1 year, then I think I will survive everything. Be paid to your parents, not you later.
Thank you.
Mommy,
thank you.
You are a true family member.
Exactly.
Thank
you. We pay to our parents.
So it's not. So what?
That message is coming from who?
From Mommy Kemi.
Exactly. Thank you, Mama Sultan. Thank you, Jare. Because Mama Sultan sabi you well now.
So what money? What do
Thank
I
you, Mama Sultan.
A part of the husband.
We have to pay the bridal price to your parents, not to you now. You've been asking for this bridal price too much.
Well, now we presented mother. Inshallah. Inshallah, thank you.
Kilo shale.
I think we should.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, guys, so the kids, I think we should focus on the kids now. It's been a pleasure talking to you as always, and please, anytime you want to discuss something with us, or you have you need support, or you need a prayer, please DM us, and we are always happy to help. So thank you for your love. And
if there's anything you really want to see on Yoruba Pikin's channel, on their show, if there's anything you want them to do, if there's any drama you want them to play or whatever, I mean, we need your feedback to improve their page also. So please do not hesitate to contact us, DM us, and then we will do the
yes.
So
and thank you for your support, Mama Sultan. Yes, it's much appreciated.
Which kind of pay off this one?
Oh, Dapper.
So you are not even supporting me again.
We love you guys too.
We love you too. We love you too. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.